The cooking that only 90s kids understand from their grandmas. I think we all had a grandma like this. She was always worried you didn't eat enough even when you were about to burst. When Grandma pulled out the slow cooker, you knew you were in for a hearty, delicious pot roast, the world's most underrated cookie. That's the taste of Grandma's house. That pot, it's the one that brings back the strongest memories. Every grandma used it to make those amazing casseroles. You ate dinner off those old-fashioned plates. Classic green bean casserole, with a crispy layer of fried onions on top, of course. You ate your leftovers out of those cream soup cans. Even the simplest mac and cheese,